Good morning, everybody. It's Karen Bovers on Ratchet Recruitment once again. And today, as you all know, I'm a video expert and our social media is just so great. But what we need to do, I think you all need a little bit of training on how to get the right tone when speaking on camera. Okay? What we don't want is can't hear you, love. You need to enunciate and talk into the camera, beyond into your audience, so they can. And speak from the diaphragm, beyond the camera, into your audience's soul. Remember, you want them to believe what you're saying because it is true. Stop laughing, cameraman. It's not that funny.